4 new models from Leonardo AI have recently been added. 1. Absolute Reality version 1.6. A powerful model excelling in generating both realistic and surreal images like anime. 2. DreamShaper version 7. The latest version of DreamShaper, which impressively creates images of various facial expressions with excellent lighting as a standout feature. 3. 3D animation style. A model designed specifically for producing animated images in the styles of Disney and Pixar. 4. SDXL 0.9. This model performs well, aiming to generate realistic images, although slightly less powerful than the previous models. Moving on, I will review each model separately and test them together. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Let's get started. Upon entering Leonardo AI, I can see that 3 new models have been added. And by looking at the recently generated sample images, it's clear that they have made significant progress. The details and lighting have significantly improved, making their performance across different styles quite impressive. Now let's click on Fine-Tuned Models to explore all the models in detail. 4 new models have been added for image generation, and I'll review each one of them. Well, the first model I will review is Absolute Reality version 1.6. According to its description, it's a photorealistic style model from Lycon, great at all sorts of photorealism. The facial designs are excellent, even capturing the fingers with great detail. Unlike older models that had issues with fingers, this model works remarkably well. Now let's see the top section. Everything looks fantastic. If the prompt is well crafted, distinguishing these images from reality becomes challenging. Let's try remixing one of the images using the top prompt. I'll make a minor tweak in the prompt and see the results. I said blue hair and red eyes, and I click on Generate. And the result is good, but the eyes are not red. They are blue, but the hair has a blue tint. Overall, it was not bad. Let's move on to the next DreamShaper version 7. I've already reviewed the previous version, DreamShaper version 6, which you can check out. Now, about this model. According to its description, this model is great at a range of different styles. The lighting is what caught my attention. It's excellent. As it claims, it can design various styles, and it performs well in the anime style, capturing intricate details beautifully. I go to the top section to test. This hamburger image really proved that it works very well in image production, except for the face. Another point that caught my attention is that the background is very well blurred in relation to the subject, which means that the focus on the characters is excellent. I found a good example, and I want to remix this image. I will add an adjective in the prompt of this image. The original is blonde woman and so on. I write blonde Persian woman. In fact, I only added the word Persian. And as you can see, the result is good. Next up is the 3D animation style. According to its description, it says model a model that excels in 3D movie modes, capable of complex scenes with rich colors. Storyboard time. As you can tell, it evokes the feeling of Disney and Pixar styles. Some of the generated images have excellent quality, while others might not be as impressive. There is still room for improvement, but overall, this model creates highly attractive and energetic images. Now, let's head back to the top section to remix a suitable image quickly. I'll try to make a swift selection. The change I'll introduce in the prompt is to replace the Hulk with Spider-Man. The image produced is very detailed and cute. Finally, the SDXL 0.9. The description mentions it as the latest stable diffusion model, currently in beta. The quality is not as high. Most generated images seem to have a painterly and watercolor style. Without further delay, let's head to the top section. I found a good example and remixed it by making a minor text change, turning the character into a Norwegian woman. The result is not excellent, but it's not bad either. I will put all the generated images at the end of this video for you to see. Don't forget to support us by subscribing to the channel. Thank you.